In this video, we're going to talk about 5 different trade lines that you can add to your business credit reports to start building up business credit. These are trade lines that are easy to get approved for. I'm going to talk to you about what you need to have for each of these trade lines to get approved, and also what credit bureaus that each of these trade lines report to. So stay tuned and watch the entire video to get all 5 of these trade lines so that you can start building up your business credits very quickly. Also, for those of you who would like to get help with building business credit all the way from start to finish, we are still helping businesses build up business credit profiles as well as obtain financing for their business, whether it's equipment financing, startup capital, vehicle financing, and more. We help you out with that. We offer training and consulting through our business finance suite. Information will be in the description. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you have a NAV account so that you can track your business credit scores. NAV tracks all 3 of the major business credit scores from DNB, which is Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian. They have a free account and they also have paid accounts. But before you sign up with NAV, make sure that you have your business set up properly. You need to make sure that you have, of course, your LLC, your EIN number. You need to have a DUNS number as well, because some of these vendors that I'm going to talk about will ask for your DUNS number. And the DUNS number is the number that you get when you sign up for Dun & Bradstreet. This is the number that track your Dun & Bradstreet credit report. And this is also the number that financing companies use to report to Dun & Bradstreet. So you want to make sure that you have one of these numbers. All you have to do is sign up for free. You don't need one of their paid accounts. You can just sign up for free on their website by clicking DUNS number and then click right here where it says get a DUNS number. Then you are going to pretty much select that you have a US based business. If you are based in the United States, you can get a DUNS number if you have a Canada-based business as well. But this video is mainly about building credit in the US. So you'll select that. You'll enter in your business information, your business name, address, and your phone number. And then you are going to see if you already have a DUNS number. Sometimes it's automatically generated when you create your LLC. If not, you will set up your account and get your DUNS number within 30 days. And then you're going to come here to NAV and you're going to sign up for NAV. And then you are going to sign up for their $39 per month plan, which includes a business builder trade line that is going to report to all 3 of those major credit bureaus and give your business credit profile a boost. And you actually don't have to pay for anything besides that $39.99 per month membership, or you can pay quarterly, which is on sale, I think right now, for $95. So you'll just click on get started, and then you are going to look up your business name, put your business name in as well as your zip code, and then you're going to verify your identity and start building your business profile and finish setting up your account. Once it's set up, you will get an option to upgrade to their plans that they have. They have 4 different plans. You'll get the business boost plan, again, that is going to allow you to automatically start building your business credit profile. Now, once you have done that, you can then come to Office Garner, and then you're going to sign up for what's called a Net 30 account. This is a 0% interest trade line that is going to report to, they do report to Equifax and CreditSafe. CreditSafe is a third-party business credit reporting agency. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on apply. In order to apply for this account, you will need to pay their $79 fee. If you are rejected, they will refund that. In order to get approved for this account, I believe you have to be in business for at least 30 days. Once you are approved, you then are going to make a purchase. So you have to make at least 1 purchase to get the account started, so that is reporting to the 2 credit reporting agencies that they report to. You need to also make sure that you have your EIN number on hand. You can also put in your credit safe number as well as your DUNS number. It is not required. However, I would make sure that I have those on hand as well to make sure that everything is properly reported. Yeah, so as you can see right here, you do have to be in business at least 30 days. You also need to be owner of the business, and you need to own at least 25% to apply. So that's pretty much it for this account. As you can see, they have office supplies, electronics, cleaning, hygiene, crafts, and recreational products. So you can come here, purchase a product to get your account started, as well as pay that fee of $79. You have to pay that $79 fee in order for your application to be processed. Okay, so the next vendor is Uline. I know everybody talks about Uline, but Uline literally is the easiest account to get approved for. And they ship really, really fast, especially if you are in the state of Texas. You can get stuff like the next day. But they have tons of products. They have all kinds of stuff for all types of businesses. So this is really, really useful for pretty much anybody in anybody's business. You can get labels, you can get printers, you can get mini fridges, you can get tools, packing supplies, pretty much anything you need for a business you can get from Uline. You're just going to sign up for an account with them. You're going to purchase something. They will send it to you very quickly. You're going to get an invoice. And once you get that invoice, just go ahead and pay it off right away. They do report to Experian Commercial, and I believe Dun & Bradstreet as well. Initially, if you're just starting off, they may only give you about $100. Okay, so the next company that we're going to talk about is WEX. They provide fleet cards. So you can get a gas card from WEX, and anybody can get one of these. You do not need to have a trucking company. You don't need to have a fleet of cars or anything like that. You can get one of these even as a startup company. So you'll use these credit cards to purchase gas. Instead of using your debit card, you can use this card to purchase your gas for your vehicle and build your business credit with this card, and also save money on gas as well. So in order to get a net 15 card from them, you will need to have all of your business information. Just like all the other accounts, you will need to have your EIN. You will need to have your business set up credibly. Make sure that you have all of your addresses matching across all platforms, across the Secretary of State, even with the IRS. When you set up your EIN number, all addresses and phone numbers need to be matching. You also need to have your business listed with the 411. I believe you also need to be in business for about a year. If you are in business less than a year and you want to get one of these cards, they may ask you to put a deposit down, or they may ask you to personally guarantee the card, which means they may do a personal credit check in order to approve you. Okay, so here are the different cards that they offer. For this particular video, we're talking about the fleet card, which is either going to be net 15 or net 22, which means you have 15 days to pay your balance or 22 days to pay your balance. Typically, you want to get, or you will get, the net 15 account starting off. I believe the net 22 accounts will automatically require a personal guarantee if you do not have business credit already built up. So this is the application. You're going to fill this application out. It does not take very long to fill out the application. You're going to put how many vehicles you have or how many vehicles that you believe you will have coming up soon in the future. So if you think you're going to buy some more cars under your business or lease some cars under your business, put how many cars that you think you may have. Also, WEX does report to DMB and Experian, and you can use this card all over the country. It is accepted at 95% of the gas stations in the United States. Also, you can call them to apply for this card if you don't want to put in your social security number on the application online and you want them to actually just look at your business credit first. Then you can call them and apply and ask them not to use your social. You just want to use your EIN number. Now, if you're not approved with just your business credit, you may have to be a personal guarantee, or you may have to put down a deposit. Okay, so the last vendor that is easy to get approved for and that also has a Net 30 account is the CEO Creative. I have talked about this particular company maybe 2 or 3 times on this channel already. It is similar to Office Garner. The difference between the two is that with the CEO Creative, you have to be in business for 120 days, which is 4 months. So that's the minimum time in business. They do report to Equifax and Credit Safe. Now, their yearly fee is $69. You do have to pay that. If you are denied, you will get that refunded back. You also need to purchase a minimum of $40 in products in order to get that account started, reported to those 2 credit bureaus. Again, Equifax and Credit Safe. Links will be in the description. We're going to click right here where it says Net 30 application form. Again, it's very similar to Office Garner. You're going to put in your EIN number, your business information, and your DUNS number, as well as your Credit Safe number. Those 2 are optional, although I do recommend at least putting in your DUNS number, because it could start reporting to Dun & Bradstreet in the future. Also, you need to be at least 25% part owner of the company in order to apply. So that's pretty much it for this video. 5 different trade lines that you can get for your business that can start reporting on your business reporting agencies very quickly. These are easy to apply for, easy to qualify for. Most people should be able to qualify for at least 3 of the trade line companies that were mentioned in this video, even if you are a startup company. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.